Andrew Dye here from Unity Homes on the site of our Zum project on Granite Lake here in Nelson, New Hampshire. I've been stopping by periodically to make these informal videos of progress, and we're coming down the home stretch now with this project. The exterior is pretty much finished. The roofing, the siding, the trim, the painting. There's just some finished electrical work left to be done on the exterior. As you can see, there's a big hole here in the front yard. There's not a lot of space to put a septic system in on this site, but it's squeezed between the house and the road. So we've got a septic tank here. You can see the drain line coming out from the foundation to the septic tank, and the leach field here between the house and the road. That'll all get covered up, obviously, and graded and landscaped. We'll take a look around back and then head inside. The owners of this home were really taken with Unity's Zum design, the contemporary look and the expansive windows that would look out onto the lake. But the site was a sloping site, and normally the Zum is just a one-story house. It's typically built on a slab, so we accommodated that by building the Zum on a walkout foundation, and we put the stairs in a bump out that's on the far side of the house, between the house and the garage. There's still final grading to be done here. You can see we've kept the grade up high, close to the foundation, and there's going to be a retaining wall here that'll allow for more of a level area down by the lake. Here's the view from the north, kind of into the sun, but you can see those two decks. The upper deck that's wood framed, and then the lower deck on a slab. There's a hot tub on the lower deck that's accessible from that lower level living area. There's the bump out between the main volume of the house and the garage. That bump out houses the stairs and a mudroom, and then you can see the garage there to the left. We're using granite blocks here to create some level areas. You can see a generator there tucked in for emergency power, and then a couple of propane tanks. Not all Unity homes are all electric. Some homeowners want to have a backup generator, and propane is a good option for that. Some like to have gas for cooking, despite our promoting electric induction ranges, which are really wonderful. One other thing to note here, you can see what look like some insulated pipes coming out of the corner there, the inside corner. Those are the line sets for the compressor units that will be providing the heating and cooling to the house. I believe those units are going to get mounted on that garage foundation wall, although they may be mounted on concrete pads here on this level area next to the generator. When I've been here previously making other informal videos of progress, we've gone in through the door in the garage that goes into the kind of mudroom entryway and stairwell. Today we're going to use the entry door. You can see here the parging on the foundation insulation. The finished grade will be brought up above the lower level of that parging. And you can see also here, flanking the entry door, these timber brackets that are characteristic of the entryway for the Zum. So I'm here on a Sunday. I happen to be in the neighborhood. Thought I'd stop by and take a look. The crew didn't know that I was coming. I know they're working hard to finish up here. Not quite sure what we'll find, but it should be interesting. So if you've seen previous videos of this project, this should look familiar, but more finished. So nice open kitchen here. It's separated from the main living area by this line of timbers. Contemporary look with those kitchen cabinets, the full overlay, kind of European style cabinets, stone counters, an island here. Typically in the Zum, this area here would be set up as a dining area, and then the adjacent part of this main open volume would be the living area. You can see now the trim battens that have been installed to cover those seams of the ceiling panels and also provide wiring chases. A trim block in the middle of that cross batten will likely be for a ceiling fixture, a ceiling fan, or a pendant light. The details here are standard Unity, pretty simple and straightforward, kind of clean lines. You've got 1x6 baseboard. The trim here is 1x4 flat casing. We've got this powder room here off of the main hallway, tile floor that runs through to this laundry area. So you've got dryer vent, hookups for the washing machine, got a base for the washing machine, simple wire shelving. We've got the toilet that we installed in the den. No, actually that's going to go into the half bath. This room is called the den on the plans. And then oftentimes this is where we'll find access to a little bit of a conditioned attic space above the flat ceilings, above this hallway and the rooms on the other side of the hallway. All right, and the primary bedroom suite. We've got the walk-in closet here. Nice light coming in here from the west. Finished ceiling in this bedroom. And the bathroom that goes along with this bedroom. Nice large shower. Been seeing these rolling glass doors, which work really well. Kind of a nice solution for a shower like this. Nice tile work. All right, getting back into the main volume. Another view of the kitchen. Probably going to be the dining area and the living area with the views out to the lake. We'll head downstairs, take a look through the mudroom entryway. Here's that entryway closet. Here's the door from the garage. Pocket door separating this closet from the mudroom. And we're going to head down to the ground floor. All right, it's looking good down here. So we've got this kitchenette that you may have seen in a previous video when it was roughed in. Those doors to the right are for a pantry closet. Here on my left, we've got kind of a big storage area, water heater under the stairs, and electrical in this storage area. Mini split wall cassette here. And the door out to that lower deck with the hot tub. More views to the lake. When we take a closer look at this trim detail. So this is that chamfer bead that's installed on the two sides and the top of the window. And then we finish it off typically with a hardwood sill. These are maple, could be fir. And we get a question about this from local contractors, but there's a bevel here on the underside of the sill, and typically we spec that bevel to go down. And a little apron piece tucks underneath that with pin nails to finish it off. And you see that sill detail on these other windows. So then we've got another little laundry area here. Got a bathroom, sink, shower, toilet. This room here could be used as an office or another bedroom. More utility space over here. A ventilation system, air handler for the heating and cooling. And this last bedroom. We talked about the ventilation system and about the mini split wall cassettes. I think that'll just about do it for this quick little tour. Coming down the home stretch at the Unity Zum project in Nelson, New Hampshire.